One of the ways to get ahead of your Amazon competitors is finding profitable keywords your competitors haven't discovered yet. In this video, you will learn how to uncover hidden keyword opportunities using ranking trends and indexing analysis with the Helium 10's Cerebro tool. If you want to try Helium 10's Cerebro and other tools in their suite, find the special offer, the coupon codes below in the description.
Long-tail keywords are crucial for any Amazon keyword research strategy, especially for sellers aiming to maximize their reach and sales. These specific, less competitive keywords allow sellers to target niche markets, leading to higher conversion rates and reduced competition. By focusing on long-tail keywords, Amazon sellers can attract more qualified traffic, improve their product visibility, and ultimately boost their sales performance. Hi, my name is Nikki from Klik, and today we're going to show you new ways of finding profitable, low-hanging fruit keywords to maximize sales on Amazon. Brace yourself as we are going to give you a rapid fire of keyword research strategies for Q1 that will give you in so many ways insights on how to get keywords that will drive more sales to your Amazon products with lesser competition. Let's dive right into it. The first tip would be to find top ranking or page 1 keywords by organic ranking. What's in it for you? This strategy allows sellers to target high-performing keywords that already drive significant traffic and sales. It includes easy identification of successful keywords and faster results. While doing this, it could include high competition and potentially higher spend costs. When doing this strategy, you will choose keywords that will ultimately increase your visibility. Targeting higher ranking keywords ensures that your product appears on the first page of search results where most customers look. It can also give you high traffic potential. These keywords are proven to attract a significant amount of traffic, which can lead to more impressions and clicks. And benchmarking. By identifying top-performing keywords, sellers can benchmark their products against competitors and make informed decisions about their listing optimization. As a result to using this keyword strategy, it will improve your sales. Being on the first page increases the likelihood of sales due to higher exposure, and as well as quick wins. Since these keywords already drive traffic, they can offer quick wins when properly optimized in your listing, like adding it to your product title. Some of the disadvantage could be high competition. The demand for these keywords can be intense, making it harder for new sellers to rank. Therefore, with this data, you can now balance between adding competitive keywords and median competitive keywords to your listing in order for you to get visible but not bleeding right away on your initial Amazon seller journey. In conjunction to this, there could be a potential higher PPC cost due to the popularity of these keywords, and bidding on these keywords in PPC campaigns might be more expensive. Now, how to do this is by using Helium 10's Cerebro tool. In Cerebro, you can set the filter parameters to organic ranking or position rank from 1, minimum of 1, to a maximum of 50. The match type should be organic rank. Of course, there are a lot of match types here, but we would like to just get those keywords that our competitors are organically ranking. Then it depends on how you categorize your search volume. In terms of discovery, I consider the minimum of 200 to get those performing high-ranking keywords and find which of these keywords here have fewer competing products. Just make sure when selecting these low-hanging fruit keywords that it is relevant to the product. What this guarantees is that I know these are driving sales, but not many competitors are currently emphasizing or using this prominently to rank organically. Like this gaming pillow for lap with 1,765 search volume with 374 competing products. If relevant to my product and upon using it to my product title, and if I sell for about 28 units according to the CPR here over 8 days, I can guarantee to be visible on the top of the search page, or I can be included in one of the ASINs that will be visible on the first page results. So by strategically looking for these keywords like lap desk for laptop with cushion, which has 12,790 search volume and only 495 competing products, then I can see that this keyword is packing a lot of search volume, there is a demand, and as well as fewer competing products. Next could be a laptop lap pillow which has 484 search volume with only 498 competing products. Then we continue sifting through these filtered results in order to get those keywords that we know that by strategically adding and optimizing in our product listing, we can get indexed and we have the ability to appear in the top of the search page results. So we can see here soft lap desk pillow for adults, ergo memory foam desk pad with 292 search volume and with only 197 competing products. We have here lap desk pillow grain. So it is important really to, again, even though we are looking at the competing products versus the search volume, we have also to check the relevancy of these keywords to our product. The second tip would be to look for long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords help Amazon sellers reach a more targeted audience, reducing competition and increasing conversion rates. So what's in it for you? It will include less competition and higher relevance to specific searches. While choosing this, some of the keywords you might be selecting may involve lower search volume. So that's why we are choosing the threshold wherein we are going to harvest these keywords, which is later we will be showing. So here are the benefits of doing this keyword research, of searching for long tail keywords. Again, as I've said before, lower competition. Long tail keywords are less competitive, making it easier for new and smaller sellers to rank higher in search results. If you don't have the budget to play with the veteran Amazon sellers by selecting those high-performing, high search volume keywords, then you would target the long-tail keywords with lower competition so that you will be able to get another edge from your other competitors. While targeting long-tail keywords, it can also guarantee higher conversion rates. Since these keywords are more specific, they often align closely with the buyer intent, leading to higher conversion rates. And as you use the long-tail keywords, it can allow sellers to reach a more niche audience that is likely to be interested in their products. And as well, when you're selecting these keywords typically cost less in PPC campaigns, leading into a better ROI. And by matching precise searches, long-tail keywords help customers find exactly what they're looking for, improving the shopping experiences. So the other disadvantage would just be the need for more keywords. To achieve the same traffic volume as shorter, high traffic keywords, you may need to target a larger number of long-tail keywords. That means you have to constantly discover these long-tail keywords in order to match the traffic volume that a shorter and higher traffic keywords provides. And while doing this keyword research strategy, you have to exclude seasonal keywords during keyword research. The benefit is that seasonal keywords are often tied to specific times of the year, such as holidays or events like Christmas decorations, summer swimwear. These keywords can show spikes in traffic during their peak seasons, but may experience dramatic drops at other times. By focusing on non-seasonal long-tail keywords, you can target terms that maintain consistent demand throughout the year, which can lead to more stable sales and traffic. So when you exclude seasonal keywords, it helps you concentrate on long-tail keywords that offer consistent demand, lower competition, higher conversion rates, and more sustainable rankings, which can ultimately lead to more stable sales and long-term Amazon success. So how to do this strategy? Again, we go to Cerebro and we set the word count minimum to 2 and include phrases like gaming pillow, since our product is a gaming pillow for lap. And here we will exclude seasonal keywords such as Christmas and New Year. We also examine the word frequency section to refine the strategy with keyword selection. As you can see here in the keyword frequency area, you can see which keyword roots are associated with other phrases containing this word alone. Therefore, when we say we are selling gaming pillow, we would like to find out more phrases containing this word gaming pillow and examine which long-tail keywords we can use with substantial search volume and relevancy. From 5,920 keywords, using our filter, we are given 16 filtered keywords. And here we will now start selecting and analyzing the keywords. We have here the gaming pillow for lap, which has 1,765 search volume with 374 competing products, and only 6 ASINs that are appearing on the top of the first page result have this on their title. Makes sense to give it a try and compete to get more indexed here, as there is lesser competition and lower PPC spend. Same as with the extra large reading and gaming pillow here, and the reading gaming pillow adult, and this one, reading and gaming pillow. Extracting and excluding seasonal keywords will let you only see those keywords that are really driving sales to those of your competitors without the demand that goes with the seasonality of those keywords. Now, let's move on to the third keyword strategy. Helium 10 has another feature in the Cerebro tool, which is called the historical trends. Understanding the historical trends of organic rankings and sponsored keywords can give Amazon sellers insights into market patterns and competitor strategies. This helps sellers decide when to increase PPC spend or shift to less competitive keywords. Tracking these trends allows you to adjust your strategy according to market movements, giving you an edge over competitors who rely heavily on sponsored ads. What's in it for you as an Amazon seller? For competitive insights, analyzing historical trends helps sellers understand competitors' strategies and the effectiveness of their keywords over time. And as for seasonal planning, you can also identify seasonal trends and prepare the inventory and marketing strategies accordingly. Another benefit could be an improved keyword strategy. Tracking how keywords perform over time enables sellers to adjust keywords strategy dynamically, ensuring that they stay competitive. And the next benefit is informed PPC spending. Understanding when competitors rely heavily on sponsored ads allows sellers to plan the PPC budgets strategically, focusing on either aggressive or conservative spending. Trend identification. Sellers can spot emerging trends and capitalize on new opportunities before competitors do. The only caveat to this is it's time-consuming. Continuously monitoring and analyzing trends can be time-intensive and data overload. Too much data can overwhelm sellers and make it difficult to focus on actionable insights. To do this strategy, you will have to click the historical trends and see the historical trend of how and when keywords were used on organically and in sponsored ads. You can view through the average of all the 10 competitor ASINs that you selected, or you can also click on just one ASIN and check the keyword trend. And this is an insider knowledge, a peek at the data on your competitor's keyword strategy, only provided by Helium 10's Cerebro tool. You can now see here when do they heavily rely on PPC and when do they rely more on organic rankings to sustain sales. This is a very helpful data provided by Helium 10, and in also anticipating when to compete with your competitors and when to dial down the PPC spend and let the competition exhaust their efforts on sponsored ads, and when to fortify your organic rankings. Identifying these trends can help you forecast how much the niche is getting competitive over time and be prepared to optimize listings and order sufficient inventory to avoid getting out of stock. The fourth and the last keyword research tip is to find Amazon keywords with few indexed products. What does this mean? Targeting keywords that few products are indexed for can significantly reduce competition and improve ranking potential. It includes identifying untapped opportunities and faster sales potential. While the caveat to this may involve lower immediate visibility, keyword indexing ensures your product appears in search results for specific terms. What's in it for you as an Amazon seller? Reduce competition. By targeting keywords that few products are indexed for, you as an Amazon seller can dominate niche segments and gain visibility more easily. Faster ranking. Fewer competing products mean it's quicker to rank on the first page for these keywords. Higher profit margins. With less competition, sellers can potentially enjoy higher profit margins due to lower PPC costs and better organic reach. Discovery of untapped markets. This strategy can reveal niches that are not overly saturated, allowing sellers to carve out unique space in the market and enhance product visibility. Indexing for less common keywords can improve overall product visibility in search results, driving more organic traffic. The caveat to this is lower demand. These keywords might have lower search volume, resulting in fewer potential customers. And there is a risk of over-specialization. Focusing too much on niche keywords can limit the broad appeal of a product. potentially missing out on wider market opportunities. That's why we are emphasizing here that there is no one best formula. You always have to test which of these keywords, and there should be a mix of keywords wherein there is a shorter, high-ranking keywords mixed with low-hanging fruit keywords that are also profitable. In Cerebro, we can do this strategy by setting the filter for competing products to a maximum of 200, word count minimum of 2, match type organic, and we shall now compare the search volume with competing products. We are also setting the Cerebro IQ score of the minimum of 1000 to find high potential keywords. It will help you see which keywords few competitors are ranking for but have the potential to rake in sales faster and therefore could catapult you in the top of the search results on Amazon. So we have here 271 filtered keywords, and we have here an iPad pillow, which is very relevant to our product, wedge pillow for adult playing, iPad pillow stand for lap, pillow pad for tablet for iPad. So as we can see, we have here a PlayStation pillow, which are untapped niche, which is still very relevant to our product, which is a gaming pillow. So we're just tapping on the market of PlayStation. And so we have discovered these products by using this strategy. Whether you're just starting out with your products or you're an experienced Amazon seller, employing these keyword strategies is essential for achieving profitability and higher organic rankings. By finding top-ranking keywords, targeting long-tail keywords, and analyzing historical trends, and identifying less competitive keywords, you as an Amazon seller can optimize your listing to drive more traffic and sales. These tactics not only improve visibility but also provides insight into market dynamics, allowing you to make informed decisions. Ultimately, integrating these strategies into your Amazon keyword research can lead to more effective marketing, better resource allocation, and a stronger presence in the competitive Amazon marketplace. All of these strategies can be supercharged with the help of Helium 10's powerful keyword research tool, Cerebro. If you're looking to take your Amazon keyword research and tracking to the next level, Helium 10 offers all-in-one suite of tools that make it easier to find profitable keywords, monitor trends, and outsmart the competition. Plus, you can save big using our exclusive coupon codes in the description below. Get 10% off any Helium 10 monthly plan with the code ORANGE10 or enjoy 20% off for the first 6 months with Orange 6M20 code. Helium 10 helps you work smarter, not harder, with advanced tools designed to maximize your Amazon success. If you like the videos that we just made, don't forget to send in good vibes in the comments section, and please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Orange Klik. Again, this is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thank you for watching.
I hope this video will help you to find profitable keywords your competitors missed on Amazon. And if you want to try Helium 10 tools for yourself, you'll find the special offer, the lifetime discounts in the video description below. And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy the content we create, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you have additional questions about the content you just watched. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn more ways to use Helium 10 tools for keyword research. So check this out.